Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is David. Let me ask you something. Have you ever spent a lot of time writing a really good prompt, got amazing output from it, and then later realized you forgot to save it? Or maybe you had to rewrite the same prompt again and again for different AI tools, and it just felt like a huge waste of time. That is a real problem right now, because AI can save a lot of time, but only if you can use the right prompts quickly and consistently. Otherwise, you end up doing repetitive work, starting from scratch and getting random results that are not even close to what you want. And that is exactly where this tool comes in. But before I show you what AiPromptAgent is and how it works, make sure you check the links in the description box below. I've put together the full written review article, including all the OTO details, the discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my special bonuses. And my bonuses are not just random extras. They cover different areas of digital marketing, so they can help you get better results with AiPromptAgent and use it in a smarter and more profitable way. So definitely check those links below after watching this video. Now, what is AiPromptAgent? AiPromptAgent is an all-in-one AI prompt companion that helps you create, save, organize, and use high-quality prompts across major AI platforms in just one click. You can think of it like your personal AI command center. Instead of retyping prompts over and over, losing your best prompt ideas, or settling for generic output, AiPromptAgent gives you one place to keep everything organized and ready to use whenever you need it. It works as a web app and also as a Chrome extension, which makes it very convenient if you are using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and others in your daily workflow. So whether you are a marketer, content creator, developer, entrepreneur, prompt engineer, or just someone using AI more often now, this tool is designed to help you work faster, stay organized, and get more precise and repeatable results every single time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what AiPromptAgent is, how it works, what you get, and whether it is actually worth picking up.
Hey friends, Carl Shippage here. I'm going to give you guys a quick little demo of AiPromptAgent. I'm not going to go in every single specific, but I'm going to do my best to quickly go through this so you can see the power of AiPromptAgent. So as you can see here, when you first log in, you're going to get access to both community and prompts. The difference between the two is community is a shared repository. So meaning you could create prompts that actually live in here, live, breathe, and act and accomplish many things for people. And you can share it that way. And there's some pretty cool incentives that you can get for doing that. Everything is nicely organized. So you could do it, look at recent, top rated, most popular, and things that you liked as your favorites. So you could actually favorite things by hearting them. And that's going to tell the system that, oh, I like this, and I'm going to keep a little database of that. You can also see community favorites as well. So it's going to have your personal favorites and your community favorites as well. Just to look at anything you want, there's all these tags and stuff. You can look at tags based off of all of these different criterias. You can create tags when you're going over them. You could also look at things based off these categories. You could look at things based off of which chatbot LLM platform you want to look at these from, and it's just going to show you. So there's none for Manus. That's why I just went there. But like Perplexity, for instance, you could see that there's a bunch here. So the way that these work is you just click anywhere on the one that you want to work with. Here's the one that's the in-depth historical event analysis. You would basically just fill out the variables, and the variables are going to fill out actually in the prompt itself. And then once you've filled out those variables, you just click copy to clipboard, and that's it. Now you can also, you could upload it and say, I like this one, I'm going to upload it, and boom, it just let me upload it. I'm going to save this in my favorites. Boom, it just allowed me to add it to my favorites. There's a couple places that you can do that at directly. And then after you've copied it to your clipboard, you're just going to paste it into whatever LLM that you chose. So this one's saying this one's good for ChatGPT, Clyde, Perplexity, and probably others. Now, when you are creating a prompt, you just click anywhere where it says new prompt. And then you would give it a title. You would pick the top 3 that you think that this prompt would be good for. And then you give it a description, a category, you fill out the prompt. The prompt is going to scan for variables. And then you're going to decide, is this private or is this public? Public is going to take people to community. Private is going to take people to prompts. So I'm going to take you to prompts real quick. And this is all private. prompts that are built within the system. So there's going to be some that you want to keep for yourself as private. And then there's going to be some that you're going to want to say, let's let the community decide if it's a good prompt or not. Also utilize the Chrome extension. You just click on there. I like opening it up to the full toggle size. And then once you're inside of here, you can see you have access to your personal prompts, your community prompts, and your pulse. So you can grab anything you want to work in from here, copy to the clipboard, paste it in, and you're done. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I do also want to show you the pulse. And in the pulse, there are ways to collect achievements. This is going to monitor the number of prompts that you worked with. It's also going to look at your engagement. So if you're sharing prompts, you're socially sharing or upvoting anything, it's going to pay attention to that here. And then also it's going to have community interaction as well. So how many hearts were you given, comments received, comments made. It's pretty neat. And then you could also look at the badges. And there's master level badges, like the first level is architect. The next level is going to be broadcaster level. It tells you what the requirements are that you need to achieve those. And then on top of that, you've got basically micro achievements or just basic achievements. These achievements are based off of creation, sharing, engagement, and special. And you could see what all of the badges look like below. And that's it. It just makes this a really fun, easy to use, easy to set up, easy to participate with, but more importantly, it's going to keep you super organized with your prompts. And as everyone knows, the stronger the prompt, the stronger the output's going to be. It's going to save you time and hopefully do well for you. So ultimately, that's what it is. So grab yours while they're running this. And if you have any questions, you can always hit us up in support.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete AI prompt agent walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing, like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from AiPromptAgent and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So, if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones. and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
All right, so when your users first log in, this is what they're going to see. They're literally going to see the Community Prompts tab. It's just going to take them in there immediately. And basically what this is, a library of community prompts. This is where I can build a prompt, you could build a prompt, your affiliate, your customers will build prompts, and they can share them in a community. So this is making this an ever-growing library of prompts that everybody gets to share in together. So if you find a really cool prompt or you hear about a good prompt and you want to copy it and put it into the system, it's easy to do. They can just copy and paste it right into the system. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute, but let's just look at a couple of these prompts and I'll show you exactly how this works. So there's all these different tags up here where you can scroll through these many different tags that you can go through. And basically each one is going to be different need or niche or whatever. There's also another way to look at some of these, as you can see, what are some of the top rated prompts. You could also look at what are the most popular prompts, and then you could look at the ones that you personally favorited. Now there's none here because this is a new account. I just set this up as a brand new account, so there wouldn't be any. So I'd actually have to look at some of these to see which one it is, but I could go to top rated. And this first one here says build your own Chrome extension. So if I clicked on that, here is the actual prompt itself. And the prompt is built also with variable text. So you can see all the little variables in here, right here, extension name. So I could put the extension name right here and you'll see that's filling it out. Put the extension type, level, expertise, experience level, core functionality, user flow, and external integrations. And just you keep going through each of these until it's filled out. Once it's filled out, and then from that point you can hit copy to clipboard. And now it's just copied this whole prompt to my clipboard. And I can go to ChatGPT, Gronk, Clyde, whatever the case may be, and copy that right in. And there is my prompt. And then I could go ahead and ask ChatGPT, you know, what it's going to say. That's how simple it is. This is how it works. This is how simple it is. There's also a lot of really interesting and neat features, I think. One is like upvote. So if I like this prompt a lot, I could go ahead and upvote it. And then you'll see that it allows me to upvote. And then if I want to add it to favorites, you can see how many people have added it to favorites. I added it to favorites. I could also copy and share this socially, share via the app. I could copy it and share it wherever I want to share it. If I want to come back here and go to favorites, now you can see that it just saved that Chrome extension into my favorite. It saved that prompt into my favorite tab. So I would easily be able to come back. It just helps you organize this and easily come back to prompts that you might have been working on that you want to use more often and whatnot. The other thing you notice on the very bottom here, and this was just one we were playing with during testing, but this has all these comments. You can add comments here because it is a community.
So when it comes to the community stuff, you can add comments throughout it. And then I can even reply to some of these comments and just say, yo, and put a little post in it. And now it's going to live inside there. Just kind of a fun way to operate in the system. Now, the other thing I want to show you guys before I get into how to build these things is prompts. If you go into prompts, you can see that there's nothing here yet. Now, these are my prompts. These are my private prompts. These are prompts I do not want to share into the community. And so from here, you can create your own prompts that you don't want to share. Maybe you're on X or you were on Facebook or somewhere and you saw this really incredible prompt and you want to keep it to yourself. Well, you have the option to actually keep those to yourself, and you can also share them privately as well. Say you have a team or something like that you want to share a prompt with, you could say, hey, don't share this to the community, but here's a prompt that I found. It's working really cool. It's amazing. And then they could become a user and they could see how this works. So you create your first prompt, or you can go here where it says new prompt. These will do the same thing. Basically what this is going to do is allow me to create my very own prompt. So from here, I would pick the top 3 different. From here, I can create whatever LLMs I want it to be working with. Perplexity, pick 3. I'd write a description on what it is. I'd write a category or select a category. Then I would go ahead and paste in my prompt here. And then it's going to scan for variables. And then from those variables, you'll be able to add the variables that you want. And then you can decide, is it private or public? You can add tags and you just hit create prompt. That prompt is going to pop up in your prompts, and you'll be able to upgrade that prompt into a community prompt if you want. The other thing is Pulse. And so what the Pulse is sort of like your dashboard of what's going on and as a community. It'll track your community growth. It'll track your prompt growth. It'll track how well some of your prompts are doing in the community. And so it's got engagement and interaction. So depending on what people and how you're using your prompts. So it shows that I've looked at, or I've used 5 prompts so far. Not a lot going on. I've given 1 heart, right? It's a brand new account, so not much going on. The other thing that's really fun about this too is that it's gamified. So we have 2 different badge types. We've got these, which are basically your master prompts, and then it tells you a path to level 1 architect. Requirements: create 1 original prompt, requires creating your own, not just saving other prompts. Use at least 1 prompt variable, like topic or tone, and save and publish it to the platform. So that right there just gets you enough to get started, to get you into the architect. And then there's also all of these achievement badges that you can level up with as well. And to get some of the higher levels, there's total badges, creation badges, sharing badges, and engagement badges. And so these are all just fun little things that you can do to go get through this. Now, the other thing is the upgrade. Let me log out and log into an account that has the upgrade. All right, so what I've gone ahead and did here is I just upgraded the account so you can see what this is. So the ChatGPT Vault, or the GPT Vault, is basically a vault that has custom GPTs. And if you don't know what a custom GPT is, it's basically a pre-programmed agent for a specific topic. So let's say I was working on a Mustang car, right? I could go and upload the Mustang car. What do you call it? I can get PDFs online that are all the user, all the mechanic booklets on the whole car, the inside out, the whole thing. And I could upload that into a custom GPT, so it's trained on a specific topic of working on Mustang cars. And basically, I could now interact with that GPT on anything pertaining to that car, and it's like working with an expert mechanic on the car. So it's super valuable in that sense. And because of that, you could use it in any industry. And I've been using it for copywriting. I've been using it for video building. I've been using it for contracts. I've been using it for real estate, how to underwrite a piece of real estate really fast instead of having to spend 30 minutes underwriting. I've used it for purchasing businesses and looking for cap rates and finding out if a business is a good deal on paper by just uploading the financials of that business. So that stuff like that is massively valuable for people. It gets them to the end result super fast, and that's what makes this a no-brainer for people to use. And so basically there's 2 different repositories in here. There's the public repository, and then there's a community repository. Now, the public repository is public because I don't know if these are private. I don't know if if they live publicly, because you can create private and public custom GPTs inside of ChatGPT. Now, I do know for ones I personally built are private. And so whoever's using the app, they have the opportunity and the option to add their private ones that they've built. So it's just reciprocity for the whole group. And they can also add more to the public repository. Maybe they're using a public one that they really like. They can just add it in there and it's super useful. So the other thing I could just say is there's hundreds in here, 286 right now. We're going to grow. This thing's probably going to grow to 1,000 before we know it. But there are all these different tags going, like all these tags. Computer's running a little slow, but you can see all these tags here. You could also look things up. So if I look up marketing, there's a bunch of different ones. Honest feedback GPT, get honest and objective feedback prior to marketing ideas. So if I clicked on this, it's actually going to open up this GPT for honest feedback. Now, of course, it's probably it'll have some questions once it loads up here. Still loaded here for whatever reason. But you provide honest feedback on my idea. I have a business that sells your offer. Rate your product idea and target audience. Can you suggest some improvements for? So some guy has this app or something like that, built this, and they shared it publicly, but basically you have access to that. Transformations. What else we got in here? No, nothing came up for that. Oh, probably because of the word. But if I do transforms, cartoonify me, interior GPT, draw to style. I guess it's a different type of transformation. Let's try recommendation. Movie ender, screen campaign. So anyway, there's a lot of different ones in here for many different needs. I also have my own. I'm going to continue to add some more of my own that I've used, but here's an example of one that I built. And this one's about making viral videos. So I just took tons of data on viral videos that was available, uploaded PDFs into here, and then got it started. So I can hire a video editor or build a viral video. And so right here, it's going to create a blueprint for me for creating a viral video. So based on short form, exact, going viral isn't luck. This uses Danielle's framework, 80% scripting, improve competitors, longer, higher quality, better concept, viral ideas. So it just kind of goes through all this. So I use probably multiples of different people, but one of them was someone's framework that I found. Video idea, evergreen plus high curiosity, proven viral niche. So all this stuff that's going to help you out. So this is the first script that I created, and this is just an idea, but waking up at 4 a.m. won't make you rich, but this will. Almost every billionaire, from CEOs to founders, wake up before sunrise. But it's not about discipline. It's about psychological advantage. When you wake up before the world, your brain operates in a low noise mode. No messages, no notifications, no dopamine spikes. That's when high leverage decisions get made. And then here's some images and there's some more scripts. So the secret isn't 4 a.m. So it's just giving you the script on making a viral video and giving you some ideas. But it's going to continue to go into, and it gives you some 10 more viral hooks for a video. So why millionaires read at night, why smart people avoid group chats, why rich people wear the same clothes, the 90-minute rule that built billionaires, the CEO that avoided morning meetings. So it's just going through all of ththese. But if you want, I can build a celebrity drama version, a real estate viral concept, a finance fear monger version. So basically, you could just say, hey, I want to create my own, use the same framework that you just showed me above, but here's what I'm writing it about. And then boom, you're literally creating your own viral videos from that one custom GPT. So that's how that works. Pretty much a no-brainer, super high valuable for people. The next thing is the Code Vibing Academy, the Pro Code Vibing Academy Access. This is basically a pro access, but it's built for beginners, people who don't know anything about vibe coding. But vibe coding is a very hot and relevant topic right now. This is going to get them in their first step to learning how to vibe code. And in here, there is 12 different trainings that they can see. Some of them are examples on how they can get started for free using like Google and Clyde I've got in here. And then these are like just some basic stuff. It lets people know how AI actually works. It's not just talking, it's how it works on the technical side. And then also how to be amazing at prompting, because the wonderful world of AI prompt engineering is probably really important, especially if they just bought a prompting tool set. So basically they get access to all three of these trainings in the funnel, and you get commissions. It's very well thought out. And if you guys have any questions, need any help with anything, hit myself up or Todd. Todd's got his links on the page here. I've got one link in here as well. We've got a group. You should join the WhatsApp group if you can. But just be a part of this. Get any information you need, any help that you need, just let us know. Thanks.